Okay, guys, it is the time for $500 trading tips, and of course, we will be checking this out right here in this video. However, before I go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. And of course, if you love the content you are getting from here, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video, and share this video with friends and family. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. Okay, so and if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. Okay, so quickly, let's go straight into what we are right here, starting with GainX 1200. Okay, guys, this is GainX 1200, and of course, this is 15-minute time frame, and we are using the trend Milka trading indicator, which is a custom made indicator on this chart. Okay, so follow up with me if you are having it. So let's go straight into it right away. So if you are within the Telegram channel, you will notice that I actually drop signals for you guys, and of course the signal is already playing out well already. Okay, but for those that are having the indicator, this actually started I mean this downtrend right from this resistance zone when it switched from this color to the red color, and it gave us this sell signal. So for those that are having the indicator, I expect them to have entered right from here, so they should be in big profit right now. For those of you that are trading with the signal, you should also be in big profit right now, even though your profit might not be as much as those who have taken or jumped into the trade right from here. Okay, so this is very, very important. So this is still selling. This is still selling. It's about achieving the first TP. Once it achieved it, it's going to achieve the second, third, fourth, fifth. You can check the Telegram channel. You're going to see the details of this trading signal. Okay, it is a downtrend and it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be GainX 999. Let's check it out together. This is GainX 999, and of course this also gave us a downtrend. It switched from an uptrend into a downtrend right from here and gave us a sell signal, and of course it has been selling since then. So this is still an opportunity which you can jump into right away. Okay, and I expect it to get to this. Okay, let me give you this first before achieving that. Okay, I expect it to get to this first, then next to this, then this. Okay, so this is going to be a long trading opportunity. It can take more than a day before it will achieve it all. Okay, so this is very, very important. Take advantage of the opportunity right from there. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 1200. For Paynex 1200, it actually got to this support zone and it was unable to break out from there. And because it has not been able to break out from there, so it's gave us, I mean, it switched into an uptrend, and I expect it to buy more, most especially once it breaks out fully from here. Okay, so it's going to buy more. However, if it breaks out below it, then it's going to sell. Okay, so but for now it is still buying. Okay, so we should take note of that. Next asset is going to be Paynex 1000. Okay, sorry, this is a sell. I think, sorry, I've mixed them up. Okay, this is actually a sell, and while this is a buy. Okay, so the next asset is going to be Paynex 999. Okay, so let's check them out right from there. This is Paynex 999. Okay, guys, this Paynex 999 was a signal we actually picked up 2 days ago. It took some time. We picked this signal right from here, played around here for a while. Okay, so it took so long from here, and of course broke out above it, and of course kept on buying, had some pullbacks in between, but today, as you can see, it has achieved the last TP. That is the beauty of this. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. If it should break out above the resistance zone, it's going to buy more. If it does not, then it should switch from an uptrend into a downtrend, and we should sell from there. But for now, it is still buying until we are able to achieve that. Okay, So the next asset is going to be FX volume 80. Let's check it out together. This is FX volume 80. It is also another opportunity which we took advantage of, and just the way we have seen it, this actually sold and even broke out from here, and it has achieved this level. It is still selling because I expect it to get to this region, but of course we've made a lot of profits with this already. Okay, so if it's not going to switch from a downtrend into an uptrend, then it should get to this region. So this is still selling at the moment. Okay, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with tonight. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are yet to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to my channel, watch my training videos, practice very well on your demo account before you try them out on your real account. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.